Before you decide to buy Maropost, there are a few things you should know to make sure it's the right choice for your business. It's a solid landing page software, but does it stand out compared to other options like Unbounce or Lead Pages? Let's break it down. First, Maropost is best known for its all-in-one marketing automation capabilities. While its landing page builder is decent, it's just one part of a much broader system, which includes email marketing, CRM, and customer engagement tools. This means you get a lot of value if you're looking for more than just landing pages. But if you only need a landing page tool, it might feel like you're paying for more than you need. Next, the interface. Maripost's design tool is user-friendly, but not as intuitive or flexible as some of its competitors. Platforms like Unbounce offer more customization options and an easier drag-and-drop builder, while Maripost's editor can feel a bit more rigid, especially if you're used to designing your pages from scratch. The third thing to consider is Maripost's templates. While they offer a range of designs, they're not as visually striking or modern as those available on platforms like Lead Pages. If you're focused on creating highly tailored, visually appealing pages, this could be a deal breaker. Fourth, pricing. Maropost is typically more expensive than other landing page tools. It's a great choice if you're looking for an all-in-one solution and have the budget for it. However, if you're only interested in landing pages, platforms like Instapage or Lead Pages might offer better value for money. Now let's talk about integrations. Maropost offers plenty of them, including with Salesforce, Shopify, and others, but it can be harder to set up compared to the more straightforward integrations offered by platforms like ClickFunnels or MailChimp. The sixth point is about support. While Maropost offers 24/7 support, some users report that it can take longer to get a response compared to other tools like Unbounce or Lead Pages. This is something to keep in mind if you need fast help. Another thing to note is the A/B testing feature. Maropost does offer A/B testing, but again, it's not as robust or easy to use as some competitors like Unbounce, which offers advanced testing features out of the box. Eighth, analytics. Maropost provides detailed reporting, but it can be overwhelming if you're not used to analyzing a lot of data. Platforms like Lead Pages have simpler, more straightforward analytics that are easier to digest. The ninth thing to keep in mind is mobile optimization. Maropost does a good job of making sure your landing pages look good on mobile, but tools like Instapage excel in this area with more mobile responsive templates and features. Next thing is Maripost's ability to automate your landing page workflows. This is where Maropost shines. If you're already using it for email marketing or CRM, you can easily integrate your landing page workflows into your overall marketing automation system. This could be a huge time saver. 11th, if you're concerned about SEO, Maropost doesn't provide the same level of SEO optimization features as some competitors like Lead Pages. It's not the best choice if SEO is a major focus of your marketing strategy. Finally, while Maropost has a lot of powerful features, its learning curve can be a bit steep for newcomers, especially if you're coming from a simpler platform like Wix or WordPress. In conclusion, Maropost is a solid choice for businesses looking for a comprehensive marketing automation suite. However, if you're mainly focused on landing page creation, there are more specialized tools out there that offer better value and ease of use. For a better option, check out our recommended solution, which you can try for free.